Okay, hello and welcome to another video. This is another coding video. Sorry it's been a while, I've been very busy. So let's get right into it. So we're going to open. Is there a recent, well, there it is. Recent projects. There we go. We'll open that. And we'll get right into it as soon as it opens. There we go. So what we're going to be doing today is mainly removing this window border and kind of, well, replacing the current close and minimize buttons with new ones, because we're not going to be maximizing, there's going to be no maximizing whatsoever, and this whole window will no longer be resizable once I do that. So what we're going to start with doing is by finding form border style. I'm going to change it from sizable to none. And then I'll get rid of all borders. And I'm hoping I can get that to be transparent, but for now it's fine. We'll see. Probably be in back color actually. This would probably be in web transparent. Ooh, there you go, web transparent. Probably, what a shame. Okay, I'll have a look later. So what we want to do now is so we got that. We need to put in our own close and minimize buttons, because otherwise how are they supposed to be able to use it if they can't close it? I don't know. So I've actually got, if I can import a image box, where is it? Over there, picture box. I've actually set up a couple of close buttons and other buttons and things. So I'm just going to make that a bit smaller for now, and I'm going to give that an image. If I scroll down. No. Is it up here? Yes, it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a background image, so that way I can actually change the way it's tiled and stuff if it needs to be. So we're going to import a local resource from my Mac, which is down, there it is, home. And I'll need to go to pictures, WRT, close button, open, and that it's not going to have a thing. Actually, hang on, I'm going to do this a bit differently. I'm actually going to import it like this, that way it's available more easily to it just means that when I'm actually creating the installer, people won't need to have this packed in with the installer, because it'll already be packed in with the resource file, so that just makes it easier. So that's got a close button, and it's currently tiling, and actually it's a little larger than it should be, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to change that from tile to zoom, stretch. I'm actually going to make that a bit smaller, like that, just drag that up to that corner. Wish it would stop snapping. I suppose it doesn't matter if it's there, I suppose. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go here and change the back color to transparent. Hopefully that works. There we go. I think it worked. Yeah, it did. Okay. So now that'll do its thing. And we'll need another one for the minimize button. Where is it? There it is. I'm going to make it smaller again. Going to get the file, and we're going to get the minimize button. Okay. We're going to not tile, but instead, oops, that was an accident. Instead of tiling that, we're going to stretch. Yeah, that's right. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to give this the same dimensions. So what are the dimensions of this one? It is 26 by 26. We want to give this one 26 by 26. Where is that? Oh, it's 28 by 26, so it's just slightly off. So now they should be exactly the same size, and I can just kind of put them together. Just like that. And I'll come up here and I'll give this one a transparency in the background. And I'm hoping that's going to show out when I actually open it, but we'll have a look. Okay. I'm surprised I can't put a transparency on this one. Oh, let me do it that time. Okay. So we'll see what happens now. So let's just see if we run this. See what happens. Oh yeah, okay, so it didn't actually make it transparent. Whoops, 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 whoops. Oh, and I'm not going to be able to drag it either. Yeah, I have to program in the dragging. That's another thing to program. And I'm actually not going to be able to close that manually, so I'll have to come in here and find the stop button. Debug. Stop debugging. There we go. Because I can't actually close that yet, and that actually hasn't worked because I haven't set the parent image. I'll look into that, because I know you have to set the parent image. I can't remember how to do it. You would have thought that by making this transparent it would have set the parent image to the back, and because the back is transparent you would have thought it set the parent image to the whatever. I'll fix that in a second, but for now, let's just get these buttons we're actually doing something. So we'll set this to be me dot close. Hang on, close. Should hopefully work, maybe. Just a little bit. Hope so. That's supposed to have that, isn't it? I think so. Yeah, it is. Okay. So recently I've been learning Python, and you have to do this at the end of every line. So I'm just trying to remember which lines in Visual Basic need this. So that's that. Now we need to go back to the design. Make the minimize button. Minimize button. Minimize button. Me. I'm hoping there's a me.minimize. If there isn't, I have to have a look at it. Minimize. Minimize box. I'll try that. Minimize box sounds like it will work. Oh, that's just come up with an error. Minimize box. Me. Minimize me. No, it's not wrong. Minimize, minimize, minimize. Oh, true. Okay, it has to be a boolean. I'm sure it told me that earlier. Nope, still not saying it's true. What's wrong? As boolean. Gets or sets a value indicating whether the minimize button is displayed. Oh, no, that's not what I want. That's not what I want at all. Dot. Me dot. Hang on, I'll have a look through all of these me dots. Minimum size. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to look into a couple of things. Okay, I'm back again, and sorry you didn't see that. I forgot to click record again, but that's okay. This may be a short video, just letting you know. Here we have the code, which I'm hoping will work to actually. I'm just pretty sure that is going to make. If I run it. Yay! There we go. So now you can see the close. I can't drag it. Sorry. You can't drag it, I have to code the dragging thing in. But now you can see the close button and the minimize button actually both have a correct background. I looked it up and I found the code. However, I still haven't managed to get these corners chopped off, and it may actually involve me moving this box, this recovery tool box, from a picture box to the actual background. That may actually be what I have to do to remove this. I'll have a look. In which case I'll do that next episode. But I'm hoping that what I've done should work when I click the close button. Good, it closes. Now the hard thing is the minimize. When I click minimize, it minimized. Oh, awesome. It minimized to my Mac dock because I'm in Parallels, but it minimized, and that's all that really matters. So, yeah, I mean, I could, if I wanted to, change the cursor from the default to the clicky one, so people know that they are going to be able to click that. If I can find the clicky one, where's the clicky one? There it is. So now, whenever people hover over that, they get the feel as if they can click it. So now if we play it, you can see that when we, it's gonna be really annoying. I've had a look at the code to have a custom drag box, and it's actually really complex. But I'll do it next episode, probably, hopefully. But I may have to refer to a YouTube video a couple of times. So yep, there you go. Now it actually looks like you can hover over these. In fact, I actually may make it so it does that with all of them except the WIP, because that one has not been decided on yet. I might make a poll for that one or something, I don't know. So yeah, that's it. Maybe a short video. It actually took me quite a while to record in real life, but I don't know how short that video is going to end up being, but that's about it. That's all I really wanted to do for this episode, was put in some close buttons, fix them up, and make them work. And, you know, do what they're supposed to do. Oop. Nearly fell there. What else did I do? I did something else too, didn't I? No, that was about it, actually. Yeah, so maybe a short episode, but that was the... That marks the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.